In this video, we'll talk about some real-life examples of grit and relentless drive. Everyone will undoubtedly be able to think of some famous examples that demonstrate grit and relentless drive. Some obvious ones include Henry Ford, who declared bankruptcy no less than 5 times before finally achieving success with the Ford Motor Company, or Bill Gates, whose first product, the Traf-O-Data, was a shocking failure before he went back to the drawing board and developed Microsoft. However, how can you apply grit and relentless drive to everyday life? Here are a few examples that may resonate more easily with you and that you may recognize from your daily life. You're on the wrestling team. It's your first year and you're still learning more about this sport. Each time you go to a tournament or duel, you lose. Instead of quitting though, you continue returning to each drill and practice and attend the next tournament or duel. You're learning an especially challenging piece of music, and the finger movements are complex, and you're considered to be average by your instructor. Most of your peers are able to perform better than you. However, rather than quitting, you continue to practice each day, taking deliberate effort to get better, and over the weeks and months, your finger movements start to become more fluid. You've always wanted to learn karate, but now you're middle-aged and your body isn't as flexible as it once was. The other students are strong, more flexible, and faster than you. Yet, you never miss a training session. You practice the different techniques you've learned and work out how you can adapt them for your own body while boosting your accuracy, speed, and stamina. Finally, you earn your first belt. You've never been good at art. You struggle to even draw a basic stick figure. However, with a determination to learn how you can draw a person, you start taking classes, and after several months, you're able to make your own self-portrait. You've always been keen to learn a different language, but you're worried you're too old now that you retired, and it'll take far too long to become fluent. One day, you spot an advert for a language course that promotes fluency in just 3 months. You join this program, complete all the lessons, and once the course is complete, you're able to hold a conversation in the language of your choice. All of these are examples of how grit and resilience work in practice. These are just some of the ways in which ordinary people harness the potential of these 2 key elements for success in their own lives.